Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So here it is, the Echo Show 5. I'm going to walk you through it, I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to do that all for you right now. Alright, got you in on the device here. The Echo Show 5 is a pretty fantastic device, as you can see here, just from the main packaging. This is really well done. So let's look at the package and see what comes in it. So you got the main screen here that talks a little bit about it, that compact Echo with a 5.5 screen. Some of the commands you can say: play morning playlists, what's on today's calendar, show the weather, call mom, wake me up at 6 a.m. Some of the devices, you can see it's Bluetooth enabled, Wi-Fi, built-in camera cover, so you can actually hide the camera if you don't want. And then of course it has, I'm gonna go ahead and mute out every time I say so that you can run your own devices at the same time that I do this video. You just look at the back, you can see some of the things to do. Now this is what's cool. The compatibility with other devices on here is pretty fantastic. I'm actually going to show you how to do it with the Ring. So I'm actually going to do a video showing you how to connect it to the Ring devices for your doorbells, your home security devices. You can connect it through that. Of course, this also works with Amazon Music, Apple Music, Prime Video, so you can actually watch videos on here, movies, songs, all kinds of stuff. It's got games like Jeopardy. You can watch The Tonight Show, Food Network on here, Bloomberg TV. There's so many things you can do with this thing. So let's open it up and see what comes in the package. All right, I have it out of the package here, and you can see here it's got a very nice grip, so it doesn't move when you set it down on surfaces, which is really nice, especially if you're using this as an alarm clock. You leave it and you want to turn it off, you turn it off, you maybe bump it, it won't fall over. So it's very nice, very well done. Got the plugs on the back, you've got the controls on the top, and here's the camera mirroring, so it's on and off. So there, it's off. You see the red, and it's actually putting something over the camera, and then you've got it on, so you can actually do voice calls, and you can actually see the screen, okay? So, and they can actually look at you. Pretty cool little device, but that's what it comes with. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so that's it, guys. It's very simple. It just comes with a plug, all right, a little adapter, and your device. So let's set it up and check it out. All right, guys, got you zoomed in on the screen here. So I went ahead and plugged it in. The first thing it did automatically turned on when you plugged it into the wall. Okay, it just went through a little boot process. It only took a few seconds. Once it finished the boot process, we got to this screen. Now, this is where you're going to log into your Amazon account. Once you do that, it will show all the devices on your account and everything that you have that you can utilize this device with. If you have any smart devices, smart plugs, lighting, TVs, I have cubes, I've got Fire Sticks, all these can be controlled within this device. So let's go, and of course the Ring, which I haven't set up yet, I'm going to be doing that in the next couple of days, and I'll show you how to link that as well. So let's go ahead and log into the account. All right, so I went ahead and put in my account information, and it says welcome, and now it is fetching my time zone. And then we can go into all of the settings that your Echo Show has to offer. All right, so I'm going to confirm my time zone. The initial setup is the only thing that takes a little bit longer. In a group, your groups, we're going to go ahead and put it in the downstairs group, and we're going to name it. You can name it whatever you want. We're going to name it Echo Show. The only Echo Show I have currently. All right.
Glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. 80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
All right, that was a pretty cool little intro that they did, as you can see when you first turn it on. Very neat. So you've signed into your account. You went ahead and watched the intro video. Now what do you do with it? Well, there's a couple things. You can just ask for certain things, or you can swipe down from the top. Okay, once you swipe from the top, you can go to settings, and there are all these settings where you can truly customize. If you want to add a Bluetooth device to it, you can do that. These are all my Bluetooth devices that you can tap to pair that have already been in my system. You can add new ones, of course. Very, very simple. You can change your home and clock. You can customize the way that your clock looks, however you want to do it. You can do your personal photos. Let's just say I want to do that one. So now I've changed my clock to look like that. Okay, just an option. There's tons of options to truly customize this. You can also have alarms set. There are so many darn things that you can do with this as well. All these different sounds that you can use, customize sounds, all kinds of stuff in the settings. I'll let you guys play with this when you get it, because that's really the fun of it, is playing with the different settings. So let's try something. Play happy music.
The playlist, Throwback Vibes, on Amazon Music.
All right, there you go, guys. It played perfectly fine, but I went ahead and muted it because I didn't want to have any copyright strikes, but it plays music. As you can see right on the screen, just like that. Pretty darn cool. I can say, what time is it?
It's 5:29 p.m.
Tell me something about today.
November 24th is the 328th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 37 days remain until the end of the year.
So there you go. It's a basically an Echo Dot, but it has a screen. It's pretty darn cool. So let's go ahead and go to the home screen on here really fast and see what is all on here. All right, so as you can see, what I did was I scrolled down and then scrolled over just like that. And you can actually see all of your devices. You can take a selfie. You can set your alarm clock. You can listen to the news, show movies with specific actors, read Kindle books, and so much more. If you click the smart home button, that's where you're actually going to be able to set up all your smart devices within your home, okay? And that's the section that I'm going to really get into when I'm going to say just what it says on the screen there, and it will look for my smart devices. I haven't set them all up yet. I do have quite a few smart devices in my home that I'm going to be setting up, and I'm going to be doing videos on that. That way you are more prepared when you get your Echo Show 5. Just wanted to go over it, unbox it, show you a little bit about it, how to use it. Oh, there's recipes on here. That's pretty cool. So you can do recipes. We'll probably keep this particular one in the kitchen and use it to watch recipes while we're cooking, and also to check on our security when we have our Ring camera going, because we also have the Cube, which we can hook up to our Ring security system as well, which will pull up on our TV who's ever at our front door. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys. It's pretty cool the way you can connect all these devices together, and that's truly what makes this such a great little device. And they are on sale right now. I'll be putting in a link down in the description on how to get these significantly cheaper if you get them for Black Friday to Cyber Monday time frame. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Just a quick video on the Echo Show 5 and a little bit of the settings. Didn't want to do a long, drawn-out video like some of the YouTubers out there. I just wanted to get right to the meat of it. And this is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you check out my other videos on the Echo Show where I go into the installation and compatibility with the Ring. The Ring device will be my next video, and then I'll show how to link the two together. Thanks again, guys.